Hey, this is your chef Harpal Singh Sokhi, and I am doing a tea story for you. Today I am doing a Saunf tea, which is Aniseed tea. People also call Fennel actually in India, but this is Aniseed, and this is the thicker variety. We also get a finer variety in India. We call it Lucknowi Saunf, and this is a thicker variety, which is generally ground and used as topping and things like that. But I'm going to do a tea with this, and this tea I'm inspired from my nephew who does this himself. A very small guy, but does a brilliant tea with this. So first of all, to make 2 cups, 1.5 cup of water. I will bring the water to boil and then add fennel or aniseed to it actually as the water starts to bubble up, as I see this, and 2 teaspoons of this, and I'll allow this to boil for 2 to 3 minutes until I get a good extract and flavor. So as it starts to boil, you can see the color of the water change and the flavor becomes intense and stronger, and I want it stronger because it's very, very refreshing. And also aniseed is considered to be digestive, and there you go. It boils. At this point of time, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, which is actually tea dust, I would say. And if you like your tea stronger, you can always add a little more of the tea leaves. Let it boil, and 2 teaspoons sugar. Sweetness, I totally leave it to you, the way you like it. Allow it to boil for some time, which is about less than a minute, and then some milk. Allow this to boil again for some time. Some people like a lot of milk in the tea. If you like a lot of milk, you can add more milk. Tea with milk, I personally don't like it. I like it milk just about right, and there you go. Tea comes to a boil. I remember my sister, whose son actually makes this. She would bring this when I would travel by train to Kharagpur via Rourkela, and that's the one request I would tell her, that please get that tea. Wow. And there you see the tea is ready. Great fragrance. There you go, aniseed tea, great flavor and fragrance. One sip will wake you up. Aniseed, Saunf as we call in India. The tea is ready. One sip and you will wake up. Believe me, the fragrance and flavor is just unique. Tea story with Chef Harpal Singh Sokhi.